Hi, and welcome to NEXD. I'm going to show you how to add an overlay logo, CTA, and overlay elements in the NEXD Campaign Manager. When adding overlays, you have two options. Option 1 is adding overlays under the Extras tab. These overlay assets stay in place on the top layer while users interact with the ad, and you can position them anywhere. You can also add additional overlay elements if needed. Just click on Add Overlay Element, give it a name to help you later identify which overlay the viewer clicked, then drag and drop it anywhere on the ad. Option 2 is adding asset-based overlays under the Assets tab. Click on Overlays, add and name your overlay, then drag and drop it into the slot. You can easily adjust the placement using the arrow keys. These overlays stay only on a single asset while interacting. Congratulations! You've created an ad with overlay assets. If you need any help, feel free to reach out using the chat icon in the bottom right-hand corner or send an email to support@nexd.com.